Yo, what's poppin' YouTube? Is your boy CeeLo's once again with another one of these YouTube videos. We're back at Monday, guys, starting the week once again. Excited, motivated to see what's gonna happen throughout the week with this stocks and my Bitcoin. See if we can make a little bit more money. As of right now, my Bitcoin is already making me some money again. It went up all the way to 64,000 right now. I'm currently waiting for it to be at 65, 65 past 65,000, a little bit past 65,000, and then just cash out. Get my $4 win, whatever the case may be, $4, $3, whatever I could take out. Right now, I think I'm already winning of about $3 right now. So if I was to take this money out, I could come back in with my $225 that I already have invested, and then take out the $3, $2, because remember we have to pay some fees. So we're not gonna win the whole $4 or it's not gonna be all ours. That's what I'm trying to say. So I mean, I'm good with just getting $1 or $2 regardless, and then just waiting for it to come back down to get back in. So where I ended up investing my money with my $5 for stocks, I ended up just buying more Schwab, because I just wanted more Schwab. This is my main ETF that I want to put my money into. So I really don't mind going all in here. So since I was just, I think it was low. I think that was the reason why. I'm not sure. Yeah, it was kind of low. So when I got in, we were at $28.33. The only reason that I did it, though, if I'm being honest, is because I feel like it's not gonna stay at $28.50 for a long time. I feel like it's gonna grow a lot. So I want to just get in here now. It might get up to $35 probably or something like that at some point, but I just know that it's not gonna be cheap like that for a long time. So might as well just get in right now as much as I can. And that's why that day I just went beast mode on it, and I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna go in before anything happens. And I mean, if you see right here, when I went at $15, I was still not averaging that good anymore, but at least it wasn't that bad as it is now, because today I'm pretty sure it's gonna go even more up. So something is something, owning at least 2 shares, 3 shares of this at a low price is gonna be good. And well, too bad I won't be able to put more money in there, but there is there is something that I'm willing to do. Just because I don't see Nvidia, or I don't know, or I don't think that it will come down so badly right now, but it could, because it's already been up for a good while. It's already been up for at least a couple days, at least almost a week. So I believe that could help us actually get in at some point. It has to start going down. Well, I mean, it's only been like 4 days really, till 4 or 5. It's probably been like a week on Nvidia going up. So I don't know. We need to really just watch for that, see what's gonna happen. And then, whoa, this is already really, really low. I have to really make a choice at this point if I want to sell or not. I'm right now, was barely looking at this. I'm like, whoa, hold on. But anyways, yeah, we're going back up a little bit. So anyways, I'm gonna let it flow for a little bit more. Yeah, that the thing is that if Nvidia doesn't go down to a decent spot, right now it's at where are we at, $134. If it doesn't go back to a decent spot, I can't go in, because I would not make any money, and I would possibly lose money. So if we can't go back to 122, 120, if we can come back to that, even 116, 115 would be beautiful. If we can't come back to that, I don't know. I could probably do 124, maybe, possibly, but it's up this high where it's at right now. I am not gonna do anything, obviously. So I'm just waiting there, a waiting game, and I'm also afraid that this is gonna go up crazy. It's gonna be expensive at like $40 type of shit, and I'm gonna have to go in at that point, or wait a couple days or weeks to people might buy more, swap, since it's just gonna be so volatile. I feel like that's gonna be it. It might not be. That's my prediction. So today is gonna be the day where we find out these things. I'm focused on the Schwab ETF, and I'm focused on Nvidia and Bitcoin. These are my 3 focus today. to see if I could get some money off of Bitcoin today, which is a must. Right now is a must that I should get some money, but it just all depends if I take my money out on time, if I'm able to see it, if I'm not busy, or if we could get at least a little bit more money, maybe 230, get out at 230, make officially $4 at least. That would be a blessing. So it's just a waiting game now to see what we decide to do. So I'm gonna stop this video for now. I will post it at the end of the day, because I want to see by the end of the day what's gonna happen, and then by then I will be able to tell you guys what I actually ended up doing. For now, I'm just gonna hold on for a little bit, relax, and just let it play a little bit. Just be patient and see if we could flip that coin side and make some money. Yo, what's poppin', YouTube? Is your boy Silos once again. I'm not gonna say with another video because that's already been said in the beginning, but the thing is that this is the next day. Basically, yesterday was Monday, today is Tuesday, and I just didn't finish off the video yesterday. But that was good because a lot of things have happened since then that allowed me to bring it up on this video and tell you what happened. I'm gonna make it real quick because the video is already 5 minutes itself. So I'm just trying to do a little quick talking to you guys of what actually ended up happening. Bitcoin went up real high, up to 67,000 yesterday. Sorry, that was today. Because yesterday, Bitcoin went up to about 66,000 yesterday. So that generated me up to $7 yesterday. I took out $7 yesterday into the piggy bank. And then today it went up again. Yesterday, I'm gonna be honest, I took Bitcoin money out 2 times. One time I took $2, and the very first time I had taken 5. So I took a total of $7 off of Bitcoin yesterday. Both times that it went up. So that was a good gain yesterday for $7. Today it went up to 67,000, which was crazy for me when I saw that. 67,000, and I was able to make another $4 today. I've made about $11 from just yesterday and today from Bitcoin. So it was a good 2 days for Bitcoin, making me $10 right off the bat. So Bitcoin is doing great. Obviously, we're going to have to prepare for the downfall. This is going to come right back down. It's going to sink down. But that's also good news for us. That just means that we're just going to put more money in there and try to just bounce back to 65. Right now, my number is 65. Every time Bitcoin goes to 62, 63, I'm putting money in there. And if it go lower than that, even better. Because at some point, that shit is going to go back to 65,000. I'm telling you. I'm not even worried about 67,000. 65,000 is my number. As soon as I start gaining $5, for me, it's already like, I got to take this money out. I don't care, because if it keeps going up, it's just going to make me more money anyway. And I've realized that I've only really just been investing for a month and a week. This is a month and a week for me, because I started investing on September 9th. It's a month and a week this week. I started off on the 9th. It's barely been a month, like about 6 days ago. So we up for something good, to be honest. It's crazy. And just barely a month, already made $25. Hopefully we make $50 next month. I'm still waiting on Nvidia to go down. So that's something right there. But I have good news though. Nvidia, which is the only other stock to have actually made me some money, it made me $5. And halfway of last month, if I'm not mistaken, or on the last week, something like that of last month. Nvidia right now is low. Now it's going low. I was scared that it was just keep going up. It kept going up. It kept going up. Now it's dropped 4% in one day. I'm hoping that it drops another 4% by tomorrow, so I could just get back in again. I'm waiting for 124 at least, but if it could get lower than that, it would be much better. So anyways, thank you guys. I just wanted to show you what has been done so far. I think we've come up a lot, to be honest, from $70 on that first week. Only on a month and a week, we've already done so much. Look at those numbers, those stock number. That stock number would look much better if I had those other $50 invested there. But I have to wait on Nvidia to come up. But anyways, guys, we'll see what happens throughout the weeks. I'm probably not gonna make another video until I get paid and reinvest. So every time that I come back with a new video, my bank account is probably looking much bigger, which is fine. Not that much bigger, but with some gains. $25 gains already over the money that we invested. No money lost so far right now. Obviously, we're going to start losing some money with Bitcoin. Nothing to be afraid of, though. We're going to come right back up and we're going to keep putting some money into Bitcoin. Thank you guys. Thank you guys for following. If you like my content, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, all that beautiful stuff. And, we're only going up on this channel. So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on how I keep going up every single time. You don't believe that I'm going up every single time? Then all you have to do is go back to my first video. Watch those videos from there on. It's not an educational video. I'm not going to show you how to do it or what I'm doing. I'm going to show you kind of what I'm doing and kind of explaining you what you could do. But I'm basically just showing you my journey for you to, take it on for your own terms and try to do your own money. I'm just showing you that it's possible. Thank you guys.